The moment a brand new car rolls out of the showroom, most drivers believe the hardest part is over. The paperwork is signed. The paint is flawless. The odometer barely shows double digits. It feels safe. It feels reliable. But here's the part nobody warns you about. Last year alone, more than 1.3 million vehicles were recalled before they even crossed 30,000 miles. These weren't neglected cars. These weren't abused engines. These were carefully driven, well-maintained vehicles that still failed early, quietly, and expensively. And behind every recall notice is a frustrated owner wondering how a modern machine with decades of engineering behind it could fall apart so fast. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the 13 car brands most likely to turn excitement into regret in 2026, according to long-term reliability patterns, real ownership data, and the stories mechanics tell when the cameras are off. Some of these names will surprise you. Some will disappoint you. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why flashy design and strong marketing don't mean durability. And stay with me to the very end, because after the warning signs, I'll reveal 4 vehicles mechanics quietly call bulletproof, the ones they trust when their own money is on the line. We start with a brand that looks affordable on the surface but becomes expensive in slow, painful ways. Mitsubishi has struggled to keep pace with modern quality standards, and it shows once the honeymoon phase ends. The Mirage, often marketed as a budget-friendly commuter, feels fragile almost immediately. Thin materials, constant interior rattles, and an engine that feels stressed even at highway speeds make daily driving feel unfinished. Owners rarely complain about one dramatic failure. Instead, they describe a steady drip of problems that slowly erode confidence. Then there's the Outlander, equipped with a CVT transmission that has developed a reputation for early shuddering, slipping, and outright failure. Many owners report these issues appearing well before 70,000 miles, sometimes far earlier. When the transmission finally gives out, the repair cost alone can rival the value of the vehicle. Add shrinking dealer networks, poor resale value, and limited parts availability, and Mitsubishi ownership often feels like holding onto a brand that's quietly losing ground year after year. Then comes a car that sells charm better than longevity. Many vehicles look playful, handle sharply, and feel alive when new. But underneath that personality sits a mechanical reality that catches owners off guard. Timing chain issues, oil leaks, and electrical faults frequently appear long before most drivers expect major repairs. Transmissions hesitate, shift harshly, or fail outright. And because Mini operates under BMW ownership, the repair bills reflect luxury pricing without luxury durability. Small fixes turn expensive quickly, and many independent mechanics avoid these cars entirely. The result is a vehicle that delivers fun in short bursts but demands patience, money, and forgiveness long after the novelty wears off. Fiat's return promised excitement, European flair, and affordability. What owners got instead was inconsistency. Electrical systems fail unpredictably, dashboards light up without explanation, and infotainment glitches become part of daily life. Engines stall. Transmissions struggle. Some drivers report serious repairs before hitting 40,000 miles. Service centers are limited, parts often take weeks, and resale value collapses faster than most competitors. Buying a Fiat often feels less like purchasing transportation and more like rolling the dice on whether today will be a good day or a breakdown day. Jaguar enters the conversation wrapped in elegance, but ownership tells a different story. These vehicles look stunning in motion, but beneath the surface lie recurring issues that sap trust. Infotainment systems freeze or reboot mid-drive. Batteries drain unexpectedly. Gearboxes hesitate. Oil leaks appear far too early for a premium brand. Suspension faults and electronic failures become familiar visits to the service department. Even when the car behaves, depreciation hits hard, erasing value faster than the miles accumulate. Jaguar ownership often becomes a balancing act between loving how the car looks and resenting how often it demands attention. Land Rover promises adventure, strength, and luxury in one package, but real-world ownership often delivers frustration instead. Air suspension failures, cooling system leaks, infotainment crashes, and electrical gremlins plague many models well before they should. Owners joke about dashboards glowing with warning lights like holiday decorations. Repairs are expensive. Parts take time. And depreciation is brutal. Vehicles that cost nearly 6 figures new can lose half their value in just a few years. The image remains powerful, but durability struggles to keep up with the promise. Chrysler reflects a brand stuck in survival mode. Aging platforms, limited innovation, and persistent reliability issues define much of the lineup. The Pacifica minivan, despite clever ideas, suffers from powertrain failures, electrical faults, and infotainment crashes that frustrate families who simply want dependable transportation. Hybrid versions add complexity without delivering confidence. Dealer support feels thin, and resale value drops quickly. Ownership feels uncertain from the start, like investing in something already past its prime. Alfa Romeo captures hearts instantly but tests patience relentlessly. The Giulia and Stelvio are undeniably beautiful, with sharp handling and emotional design. But owners frequently report warning lights appearing early, software glitches interrupting normal driving, and electrical faults that refuse to stay fixed. Repairs take time, parts take longer, and few independent shops want to touch them. It's passion mixed with unpredictability, a car you love until it leaves you stranded. Tesla represents innovation, but reliability hasn't caught up to ambition. Build quality complaints dominate ownership stories. Panel gaps, paint flaws, interior rattles, and software errors appear even on expensive models. Phantom braking startles drivers. Touchscreens freeze. Service appointments feel distant and frustrating. The Cybertrucks recalls only amplified concerns. Tesla pushes the industry forward, but for many owners, daily dependability still lags behind the promise of the future. Nissan's decline hits hardest for longtime fans. Once known for dependable sedans and SUVs, the brand is now closely tied to CVT transmission failures that strike early and cost thousands. Interiors feel cheaper, dashboards crack, and steering issues surface sooner than expected. Corporate turmoil left lasting marks on quality control. The name still sells, but trust continues to fade. Jeep markets toughness and freedom, but ownership often tells another story. Electrical glitches, leaking roofs, rough transmissions, and engines that stall unexpectedly frustrate owners. Some models perform poorly in safety tests, raising serious concerns. Repairs stack up, and durability often fails to match the adventurous image sold in advertisements. GMC hides behind bold styling and premium pricing, but reliability issues persist beneath the surface. Transmission problems, brake failures, infotainment crashes, and engine hesitation appear far too often. Repair costs rise quickly, and owners realize they paid extra for branding while inheriting familiar problems underneath. Cadillac promises modern luxury but struggles with overcomplicated technology that fails too often. Touchscreens freeze, suspensions malfunction, and transmissions misbehave. Even newer electric models face early software issues. The ambition is clear, but execution continues to disappoint. And finally, Rivian. A bold vision backed by massive investment, yet plagued by early production problems that should have been resolved before reaching customers. Software failures immobilize vehicles. Water leaks enter cabins. Parts delays stretch into months. Service communication disappears. Recalls involving steering components raise serious safety concerns. Owners often feel like beta testers paying premium prices. Rivian may shape the future, but in 2026, ownership remains a gamble. Now here's the truth most channels won't say out loud. While these brands struggle, there are vehicles that quietly earn respect. Cars that show up for oil changes, not engine replacements. Vehicles built with boring reliability instead of flashy promises. And in the next video, I'll reveal 7 brands that outperform expectations and even challenge Toyota's reputation. If even one of these insights saves you from a costly repair, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants a car that actually lasts. Drop a comment below with your country, your car, and your current mileage. I read every single one. And don't miss the next video, where I'll reveal 7 car brands that could surprise you with reliability so strong, even Toyota might have to take notice.